Hello again. As I have told you in the last video that I'll give you one more example to help you understand what exactly is the referencing words in a better way. So this is the example here. You can see this is something, the blue line is something which can be replaced with referencing words to get better band scale, and it comes under the evaluation criteria of coherence and cohesion, right? So let's try to read it, and let me show you the answer so that we can read it and we can see the how it can be replaced. So this is the answer that I can show you here. This is the answer part of that, right? So this all blue part has been converted to red. Red part is the referencing word, right? So you can understand this eight type of thing. So let's start reading it. One of the reasons that people are becoming overweight these days is that people are eating more junk food. So instead of that, we can say these days that they are eating more junk food, ready meals, and convenience food rather than cooking healthy meals at home. People are eating more junk food and ready meals because instead of writing this, we can simply say this is because, and try to understand, so important. This is because many people tend to lead a busy life, and after a long day at work, instead of cooking at home, most people prefer to buy ready meals. So instead of this, instead of cooking at home, most people, so we can say it is easier to, right? So after a long day at work, it is easier to buy ready meals in supermarket or get a takeaway. For instance, in the UK, sales of takeaways and ready meals, you can avoid this. Sales of these types of foods, right? Sales of these type of foods have risen considerably since 1990. The urge to buy ready meals and convenience food instead of that is because we can simply say this is because. You don't need to write the urge to buy ready meals and convenience food. You can say this is because busy people see cooking at home as time consuming. To tackle the problem of people being overweight, we can simply say to tackle this or to tackle it, the government should take steps to increase the tax on high fat, high sugar, or unhealthy foods. Therefore, consumers should think twice about the food consumers consume. So, consumers would think twice about the food they consume, right? Which could lead to consumers losing weight, which could lead to them losing weight, right? Which could, or we can also say, which could lead them to lose weight. I hope now you have understood clearly what exactly is the referencing word. I hope you'll be able to use them properly, and the way to find out the error, just write and read it carefully to find out, do you think you can avoid the repetition of some word or words, right? That's why I've told you referencing word can be a word or phrase. Okay, that's all for this video. Bye.